The 11 best outdoor fire pits to buy in 2021 Amazon. Which is the best for you? There's almost no better way to take advantage of a clear, starry night than to build a backyard fire and bask in its glorious, cozy warmth. But like any of your other outdoor furniture, your fire pit should perfectly blend into your backyard aesthetic, whether or not it's even lit. The best outdoor fire pits, along with having a resilient, high-quality build, should be easy to assemble, light, clean, and put away if necessary. Watch the video to learn more. 1. KINGSO 36-inch outdoor fire pit. Gather friends and family, at a safe distance, under the night sky and enjoy the warmth of this wood-burning, heavy-duty steel outdoor fire pit. The flames inside the steel drum make the cutouts flicker, and the pit even comes with a handy cooking grate. 2. Outdoor propane gas fire pit table. No firewood on hand? No problem. This propane-powered, outdoor fire pit is entry-level outdoorsy. The push-button ignition fires it up in seconds. We love the water-resistant rattan-textured exterior, the rust and heat-resistant powder-coated aluminum tabletop, and, of course, the sheet glass windguard so your fire stays lit for longer. 3. Outland Living outdoor propane fire pit table. Build yourself a roaring backyard fire with a pit that's made to impress. Its square shape is a lengthy 36 inches wide, so everyone in your family has room to comfortably gather around. Plus, this outdoor fire pit's tempered glass tabletop, weather-resistant wicker-textured base, and glistening glass rocks provide both style and function. 4. Bio-Light Fire Pit Plus. Not only does this fire pit made to fold up for easy transportation anywhere, but it's also designed to reduce smoke. It uses either wood or charcoal. It has a rechargeable fan attachment that helps circulate air and allows you to adjust the size of the flame. One charge will get you 30 hours of burn time. The fire pit also comes with a grill attachment, too, so you can barbecue at the beach, at a campsite, or your backyard. 5. Campfire Defender Protect Preserve Pop-Up Fire Pit. Even if your camper is fully loaded with all of the best gear for your next outdoor adventure, you should still have just enough space to fit this pop-up fire pit, too. It folds down to the size of a camping chair and only weighs 8 pounds. This outdoor fire pit works with wood, charcoal, or pellets, and it's equipped with a heat shield at the base of its drum to protect the ground underneath from being scorched. 6. Barley Outdoors Cast Iron Wood Burning Chimenea. This wood-burning chimenea is one of the more style-forward options when it comes to outdoor fire pits. The cast iron design will certainly bring a bit of drama to your backyard's aesthetic, and its sliding mesh door provides easy access for making s'mores. This type of outdoor fire pit retains much more heat, making it a good choice for regions that tend to get very cold at night. 7. Propane Fireball Column Fire Pit. This propane-powered outdoor fire pit is the best one for your deck, patio, or poolside. Its exterior is made of a durable and lightweight Envirostan material, which brings a natural vibe to your backyard while discreetly housing its propane tank. The included natural lava rock covers the stainless steel burner in style, and with the push of a button, you will have a glowing flame. 8. Pleasant Hearth Martin Wood Burning Fire Pit. The Martin Wood Burning Fire Pit will make an impressive fire when you are entertaining on your backyard patio. The mesh panels help reduce escaping sparks. This deep fire pit includes a fire bowl that features the circular air system which raises the firewood, and allows oxygen to circulate for a consistent fire. 9. Wolf and Grizzly Campfire Trio. The Wolf and Grizzly Campfire Trio provides everything you need to build the campfire of your dreams, at home or away, while leaving no trace behind. This kit includes a stainless steel frame, a grill surface, and all of the inserts needed to safely hold your kindling, plus much more. 10. Solo Stove Bonfire Plus Stand. This stainless steel fire pit from Solo Stove is portable and compact, but it still produces an impressive flame. Its unique double-wall construction ensures that smoke won't get in your eyes. It's designed to maximize airflow through the unit, which results in a cleaner, more thorough burn. Plus, the Solo Stove is great for those with limited outdoor space who don't necessarily need an outdoor fire pit to be part of the permanent backyard setup. 11. FEMA 42-inch Propane Fire Pit Table. This 42-inch round outdoor fire pit comes with a removable top that lets you use it as an outdoor side table when not ablaze. The imitation wood grain exterior and dazzling blue glass stones surrounding the flame add a bit of style. We like this fire pit's clean lines and understated, yet modern look. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel.